Hey everyone, Techno Manager here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix emergency calls only issue on your Samsung phone by following these steps. So let's get started. Now, first thing to keep in mind, if you're getting this issue, there are a couple of reasons. It could be your SIM card issue, network outages, incorrect settings, or even a software problem, which we're going to address all in this video. So very first thing is, if you're having an issue, try to move to a different area. Sometimes it might be the coverage may be low, so if you move to a different area, see if that fixes it. Now the next thing you want to do is pull down the control menu, put your phone on airplane mode briefly, 10-15 seconds, and turn it off, and it does a quick refresh of it. Now if you're still seeing emergency calls only, no problem, just move on to the next troubleshooting step, which is basically going ahead and checking your settings. So this time we're going to start by going to your settings, and then you're going to go to connections, and in the connections you're going to click on SIM manager, and if you have a SIM card one, just go ahead and turn it off and then turn it on. Now if it's already off, you definitely want to turn on so it's using the SIM card correctly. So that's going to be another thing to do. Now let's say you're still having issues with it, and the next thing you're going to do is remove the SIM card and insert it back in. Generally for this you'll need a SIM ejector tool or a paper clip or earring piece as well. You're going to locate the SIM tray. Usually it's on the top, bottom, maybe on the side. Look for the SIM cutout, take your tool and just insert it in there, and then pop out the SIM card. When you pop out the SIM card, make sure that there's no damage or any issues with the SIM card, and you want to make sure you reinsert it back in correctly in this position and it sits nicely and it doesn't move. Well, once you have done that, just simply go ahead and restart your phone. So you can do this by clicking on the top menu, click on the power icon and restart, or using the volume down in the side button as well, and then restart this way. A quick restart will resync the SIM as well. Now, if you're still having the issue, the next thing to go ahead and do is following this step. You're going to go ahead and swipe into your setting. Now from your setting this time, we're going to go to the option for general management, and then we're going to click on reset, and we do need to do a network or mobile network setting, and then click on reset. This will reset the settings themselves. It will not delete any of your data, but an important step to do. Now, if you're still having the issue, the next thing to do is make sure that you're connected to the internet through either Wi-Fi if you don't have cellular internet. So you can update your phone by going into your setting and the software update and check for update. If there's an update, go ahead and update to this latest version just to make sure it's not a software related issue. Now, if you're still having issue, the other thing you may want to make sure that your phone is actually unlocked. And if you're using a SIM card from a different carrier, if the phone is not unlocked, it's not going to work. So you're going to make sure you get it unlocked from a previous carrier, or get a phone that is unlocked and compatible with your thing. Now, other things you may also consider is if your SIM card has issues, you may contact your phone carrier to use an eSIM card. So under the settings, connections, SIM manager, you can add an eSIM card if here's an option. For this, you want to contact your carrier so they can check a couple things. Your account is in good standing. There's no issues with the account. There's no outages. If they need to sync your account or do any of those troubleshooting, there's something they can do on their end. And I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. And thanks for watching.